SMS Holdings is a family of companies that has been built as a result of strategic growth, acquisitions, divestitures over the course of the last 34 years.
We have about 8,000 active employees, over 300 locations in the US and in Canada.
Servicing our customers is key, and we'll do really whatever it takes to ensure that our people are taken care of.
We did not have common processes to continue to grow with mergers and acquisitions.
We had multiple payroll systems, multiple timekeeping systems, a variety of applicant tracking and recruiting systems.
And through a comprehensive review, it was very clear that ADP was a partner that we needed to work with.
We felt like they provided us the most value with their experience, with their vision, and with their history of innovation.
Utilizing ADP Workforce Now has really created an ease in our workforce.
We saw a huge change in the time that it takes to hire an employee. Previously, we were manually entering all of the information from an ATS or using paper and keying it into a system. Now we have a feed that comes from recruiting management directly to ADP Workforce Now.
We optimize efficiency in saving over 5 hours onboarding each employee. Last year, we hired over 430 applicants in Canada, and we figured with the average of 5 hours that we've saved, we've also saved over $40,000.
In moving from multiple platforms to a single platform, we're able to utilize the intelligent self-service that ADP Workforce Now has. Now the employees have access to their information. They're able to make the changes real time. They need to update their W-4. They need to change dependents. They can all do that from their phone.
Digital pay statements provide us with a lot of value across a variety of metrics. The first would be the security of pay statements, but we also achieve monetary savings. We've estimated that we saved about $6,500 on paper and almost $100,000 on postage in a single year just by eliminating pay statements that we were mailing out.
The real-time data that we can get from ADP Workforce Now is essential to our business partners so that we can make real-time decisions that impact our clients and our employees.
We consider ourselves a family, and you typically tend to think of your family first. So it has allowed us to be able to deliver that family first mentality that we've got their backs and we've got them covered when it comes to everyday life.
At SMS Holdings, we continue to grow. We do not fit in a box. We are not a standard client. So it's really important for us to have a partner that is not going to place us in that box, a partner that is going to listen to us and to partner with us to bring those solutions. We chose ADP because they are best in class and they've been a great strategic partner.
ADP gives us a lot of great tools and resources that provide what we need to provide to our employees.